Hi folks, I'm solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. So in this video, we'll be solving 206 reverse linked list. This question is Leetcode easy, but we will be needing this question as a sub problem in a lot of linked list based questions. We are given this head of singly linked list and we have to reverse the list and return the reverse list. What reversing the linked list means is, so this is the list that we are given. We will link the list in reverse order and this can point to null. There are a couple of ways to do that. First one is iterative approach and the second one is recursive approach. And in this video, we'll see both. For recursive approach, so this is our head right here. If we are at head, we can recursively call these two elements and then try to reverse these two. And then again, we can move to only this node right here. And then again, since this is pointing to null, we are here. We can't really reverse this null node. So now we will pop back and reverse these two nodes. And here, this is our new head now, and this will point to null, which is a valid condition. And then again, we will pop back and we will have these two elements right here. This 3 is the new head. And instead of 3 pointing to null, it should point to our 2. And again, after making 3 point to 2 instead of 3, this 2 should point to null. And we also broke this link. Then this will be our reverse list. This is new head and this is our tail or the end of the list. Similarly, when we again pop back to 1 right here, we will break this link from here and point this to 1 and this will be also broken, and then this one will point to null, and this way our linked list will be reversed. Let me show you through code how we can do that. Here we have one base case. If our head is null, we can directly return null. If that's not the case, then we can initialize our new head, which will initially point to our head. And then if we have our head.next, then our new head will be recursive call with the next element until we reach this null right here. Then we can assign our head.next to our head. And if we don't have head.next, then we can assign this to null. And we have to finally return our new head. So this may seem a bit confusing, but mentally, if you try to run a few test cases, something like what will happen if there are one element in the list, then you will have a pretty good understanding of the logic here. All we are doing is establishing this chain right here with this line. Yep. Let me quickly run this. It works. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.